Hi guys, welcome to Civilcraft YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to discuss what is one-way slab and two-way slab and the difference. Before going into the video, if you're new to this channel, do check out our videos, and if you like our content, do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will be receiving a notification whenever I post a new video on civil engineering, architecture, software tutorials and structural engineering. So what is slab? In reinforced concrete construction, the slab is an extensively used structural element forming floors and roofs. A concrete slab is a plain element having a depth much smaller than its span and width. It may be supported by reinforced concrete beam or by masonry wall or directly by column. Slabs are classified according to its system of supports. It is categorized as one-way slabs, two-way slabs, flat slabs, circular and non-rectangular slabs, grid or waffle slabs. In this video, I'm going to share you what is one-way slab and two-way slab and their difference. If you want to check out what is flat slabs, we have already created a video briefly explaining about what is flat slab, its uses, advantages and disadvantages. I'll share its link in the description, so if you are free, just check it out. Now coming into today's topic, what is one-way slab? Slab supported only on two opposite sides by grid supports carry the load by flexure in the direction perpendicular to the supports. These slabs are called one-way slab. In this type of slabs, the plane surface of a predominantly uniformly loaded slab deforms into a cylindrical surface in which curvature and hence bending moment develops only in one direction. One-way slabs essentially acts as a shallow beams with large width. The slabs supported on all four sides also behave as one-way slabs if the longer span ratio to shorter span is greater than 2. Now let's see what is two-way slab. The rectangular slabs supported on two adjacent 3 or 4 edges and with the ratio of longer to shorter span less than 2, which carry a load of flexure in two perpendicular directions, are called two-way slabs. How do we calculate a one-way slab or two-way slab? If L by D ratio, that is longer span to the shorter span ratio, is greater than or equal to 2, then it is considered as one-way slab. If L by D ratio is less than 2, then it is considered as a two-way slab. Now, I list out the difference between one-way slab and two-way slab. As I already said, if L by D ratio is greater than or equal to 2, then it is considered as one-way slab. Whereas in two-way slab, if L by D ratio is less than 2, such slabs are considered as two-way slab. In one-way slab, the main reinforcement is provided in a shorter span and distribution reinforcement is provided in a longer span. In two-way slab, the main reinforcement is provided in both directions. In one-way slab, the crank is provided in two directions, whereas in two-way slab, the crank is provided in four directions. The one-way slab is supported by a beam on two opposite sides, whereas the two-way slab is supported by the beams on four sides. In one-way slab, the load is carried in one direction perpendicular to the supporting beam. In two-way slab, the load is carried in both directions. The deflected shape of one-way slab is cylindrical, whereas the deflected shape of the two-way slab is a dish or saucer-like shape. Sunshades that we provide in our building or veranda are examples of one-way slab, whereas two-way slabs are used in constructive floors of the multi-story building. The one-way slab is economical up to a span of 3.6 meters. The two-way slab is economical for the panel sizes up to 6 meter by 6 meter. While designing one-way slab, we provide less steel, hence the depth of the slab increases. As a result, the thickness of one-way slab is more when compared to two-way slab. While designing two-way slab, we provide more steel, hence the depth of the slab decreases, and as a result, the thickness of two-way slab is less as compared to the one-way slab. In one-way slab, quantity of steel is less. In two-way slab, quantity of steel is more when compared to one-way slab. In one-way slab, bending is only in one direction, that is, in a shorter span. In two-way slab, bending is in both directions. In practices, the choice of one-way slab and two-way slab for a particular structure will largely depend upon the economy, buildability, load condition, and length of span. One-way slab reinforcement details. In this slab, the length and width is 10 meter and 4 meter. So by checking L by D ratio, we'll get 10 by 4, that is 2.5, which is greater than 2. So it is clear that it is a one-way slab. So the main bar or the crank bar is provided in shorter span and the distribution bar is provided in the longer span. Here in this slab, the length and width is 6 meters. So it is clear that L by D ratio, that is 6 divided by 6, which is equal to 1, which is less than 2. Hence it is a two-way slab. That's why the main bars or crank bars are provided at longer span as well as in the shorter span. So that's all for this video, guys. Do like and share this video if you find it useful.